Hi guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto here. Today I'm just going to show you an install that we've done is on a Lexus MMI box, which is in layman's terms, it's a CarPlay and Android Auto hardware box which links in behind the screen. So basically this car is not the easiest to sell to. Only reason being is because it comes in different variants of the screen sizes, and also your command section in between your seats. There is quite a few styles of that, so it is a little bit complicated to sell to this car. So just make sure that you do get in touch with us. Pictures of the dash itself and pictures of down below, down the section down here, and year the car and obviously the model of Lexus, and then just let us check it over and give you the information on which one to purchase. Okay, so this is switching over, because all you need to do is hold down the menu button, which is in between the seats, and then this will go over to the CarPlay, which I've already set up. This is linked to my Apple phone. Now these do work with the touchscreen command section as well as the little command dial knob, you want to call it, in between the seats, and you simply just select it through the command section here to go through it. It does work with the original camera of the car. If you haven't got one, then obviously you can put an aftermarket one in there. There you can see my phone book is through there. You'll see me Google, oh sorry, that's the Apple map, so just select it in there, and you can see my Apple maps in here. So if I just want to basically get out of there, just simply have to go all the way down to there, back onto that one. Here's my messages there and all. You can just keep your hand on it and we'll slide right through it. That one takes you through to the exit onto the home page, which I'll show you in a minute for the MMI box. There's your calendar, there's your Google Maps, there too. Let's go back to here, and also there's my SoundCloud there, which obviously is my music from, which I listen to in the gym. And also let's go down back to here. These boxes, there's not much to them, to be honest with you. They just pretty much bring music apps, navigation apps, whatever, basically text messaging apps over. That's my TalkSport radio app. That's my digital radio app there. WeChat is just the Chinese messenger that I speak to our suppliers on. And everyone, there's your WhatsApp there. So just going to show you into the home page of the screen, which takes you back onto this menu here. This is basically where you set up all your settings in there. And obviously YouTube, I'm not going to sell it for YouTube. YouTube app is a little bit tricky because obviously it wants to connect to your phone a similar way to the way the CarPlay wireless connects to it, so they can conflict. So I'm not even going to advertise that to you, to be honest with you. So if you want it for YouTube, get an Android system. Wireless Android Auto on there for us connecting an Android phone, AirPlay, and also link. You can have mirror link through that off your phone. It does come with a USB cable, so you can play your music and your movies through there, as well as firmware updates in future. Back end settings and setup, camera here, exit, and that just exit takes you back to the original screen of the car. Hold on a second. These a little bit. There is a command section option where you can lower the sensitivity down, because if it's too high, then they are going to be a little bit sensitive. But yeah, there's the exit, which takes you back onto the Lexus screen. Alternatively, you can hold down the menu button, it'll work that one too. Okay, so hope you liked the video. Sorry it's short and sweet today. There's not much to these boxes anyway. And as I say, it's a good, nice, cheap alternative to bring the car into the 21st century. And these boxes tend to run around the $290 mark. Check the website. We'll put the link down below in the description. All our contact details as always. And if you got any questions, give us a holler and reach out to us. Okay, have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.